food? Hi, hey y'all. We're at this place called Sotomar for seafood. I was thinking about this place earlier this week, but I didn't think we was gonna come. I'm so excited. I hope it's good. I've seen this place on other people's YouTube channels, so let me show y'all what it looks like here. Thank you. You're welcome. I got you too. Thank you. You're welcome. And that's for yourself. Good gracious. Little Italy. That is the most racist thing I've ever heard in my life. I don't think she said that, but she said that. Cocktail bar. See? Jumbo peanut butter cups. I'm gonna get some dip Oreos. Taking Oreo? Yep. Where do you see Oreos? Dipped. They dipped in white chocolate.
Yeah, I don't think like saying I used to argue so we're known for our approach, so it's just like I gotta make sure I know all the flavors. Sometimes I like, sometimes you know, I gotta lie about like.
Oh, they're playing a game out here. This is a good thing to know. What game? Where? Right here on the TV. Oh, I see it. Cool. Here. I know. I keep seeing chubby noodles on the delivery stuff. What they got? Let's keep over here. Hey y'all. What's up? What's up? Beautiful day, beautiful Sunday morning in Cali. So today, me and my friends are gonna go on another hike. I want to show you guys how it's outside. It's so pretty outside this morning. The sun is crazy. I don't know if y'all can see it. My windows, these windows dirty, but I guess they better get somebody up here to start climbing, child, and cleaning these windows. But anyway, we're about to go hiking again today. This will be my third hike since I've been here, and I have actually worked out this week. Last week, I worked out 5 days, like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So my knee is a little bit tight this morning, but I'm gonna wear my brace or whatever. And yes, I'm excited. I don't really know. We were going between two places. I don't really know where we're going, but you all know. I'm gonna show y'all when I get there. Here my little outfit. I got these little Reeboks leggings from Ross, I think. So yeah. So I'm gonna get ready to go. Get ready to catch my little Uber to a little meetup spot. And I'll see y'all later on.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna need some help over here because there's a move going on right now. I have to finish my report up, and there's somebody at the front door.
I'm come out here and have a little picnic.
I know. That's what we need to do. Instead of going to campus, because she don't want to go camping.
Well, they ain't going to the ceiling. Me, why the arrow's going straight up to tell you to go forward. Which way? Which way is supposed to point? It is pointing this way. How you supposed to make it point this way though?
This way.
I know, it's great. Thank you so much. I know. Just want to live out here. It's so pretty. It's just like never-ending water. The sound of it.
Whoa, that's huge.
Y'all, it's so beautiful. We're heading back now. Whew, I'm out of breath, but it's good. Kind of twisting my knee a little bit, so I'm a little slower. Oh, Jesus.
What did he say?
On a blind, I mean, first blind.
You guys are crazy.
They are crazy. Isn't that crazy?
Because for me, I've begun.
Look at the houses.
Hi, you guys. I'm ordering Puerto Rican food for the first time.
So we don't have that at the location.
Oh, the coconut.
The coconut smoothie? No, that's only at the main location.
Hey y'all, so I just outside waiting for food.
Did you order it?
That's when you know you really hyped. Who? What's up, you guys? I'm back. So I came back just to show y'all the food because I ate like half of it outside. I wasn't able to show y'all what the food looked like from the Cuban place that we went to. So here's what it looks like. So I got like a half a chicken, which I have already eaten a lot of that chicken. It's still so huge. Black beans, some rice. It's like sticky rice. These plantains, all these plantains were so banging, I had to get some to bring home. And then I didn't even touch my salad earlier. So, yes, it's my first time having Cuban food. So, it was really, really good. So, yeah, I've been trying a lot of new stuff since I've been here. But right now, I'm just chilling. I'm kind of like cooking some chicken and stuff for next week. And relaxing. And I kind of got some ice on my knee just because I did kind of hurt it a little bit. So maybe this ice will help it heal. But yeah, that's my Sunday. Basically hiked a long time, came home. Well, we got food, came home. I put my shoes in the washing machine because they were so dirty because it was muddy outside. And now I'm cooking and getting ready and resting for the week. So, see you guys next time. Bye. Good morning, you guys. I wanted to come in because yesterday I made this sausage. In one of my previous vlogs, I bought some sausage from Trader Joe's, some chicken and andouille sausage or something like that. Anyway, it was some sausage that I hadn't tried before. And I made it yesterday so I can have it for breakfast a couple days this week. And it is good. Like, it's spicy, very flavorful. I like cut it up and cooked it in the pan. It's quite spicy though. I wasn't expecting that, but it's good. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye. It's finally outside again, so I just ate lunch inside and I came to sit. Just want to show you how pretty it is.
Let's keep walking.
But I want something fresh.
Yeah?
So, I guess this is like bubble tea. It's my first time getting it. I just stopped. I was hot. Y'all been walking all morning. Freaking hot. I'll let y'all know what it tastes like. So apparently you just poke it and it just goes through. I'm done. Oh, it has these little gummy things at the bottom. They're chewy. I don't know if I like it or not. I like the slushy part, but I don't know if I like these little balls. So today I'm walking on Market Street. I went to the Ferry building again to get some empanadas, but I do that a lot, so I didn't show y'all that. And now I'm walking up to Target and maybe Trader Joe's to get a couple things. And that's basically my Saturday. I worked out earlier, and so that makes 5 days this week that I worked out. I do feel smaller. I know it's paying off, and I've changed my eating too. So at lunch I was eating a lot of soup, but I feel like the salt was definitely making me retain water and gain weight, so I cut that out, switched some things up, and now the weight is dropping. So hey you guys, and it's a beautiful day in San Francisco, California.